Hi, this is John Rogers with the Colorado Division of Water Resources, and this video is the third in a tutorial on the DWR well meter reading entry tool. This video covers data entry. So here I am on my meter reading homepage with all of my active meters selected. I'll choose this table layout I saved for data entry. And here's my fields. So notice the colors here. In this column, the colors green, yellow, and red indicate compliance status. Whereas these fields here, they're always blue, and that blue just indicates these are your data entry fields. So from the top here, you can see the default date is today. The idea of that is just that, say you read all your meters last Friday, but getting to them today, now you've got your default set to the right day. Regardless of that, you can edit all of these blue cells. I'll further change that date. Here I am on the meter reading column. You can see the number of blanks here in the cell. That indicates the number of digits required for that meter. These pop-up messages, and notice the behavior here. If I click that, it disappears one time. If you click that symbol, the messages will disappear for the remainder of your session. And if you want to bring them back, you can refresh the page. But I've started making a change so you can see these have enabled, and I can either save or cancel. So let me enter a reading now, and we'll make this positive reading and move forward. And you can see my options under input flag, these three choices, or null. And likewise an optional input comment. Now these two fields, flag and comment, they can be null as long as you enter a reading that indicates positive pumping. So if I put this value, that would calculate as negative pumping, and I'll get this message. So you can either say, hey, did you really mean that? No. Or yes, I did mean that. The reading results in negative acre feet pumped. Okay. And you have to tell us why. It's either rollover, reset, or other. And if you choose other, there'll be a comment required. So that's the behavior of those two fields. They're required in the case of negative pumping. The same as last field sets the new reading equal to the last reading. You can edit one reading at a time and save, or you can make multiple edits and save. So that's editing on the main page. To look closer and do editing on any single meter, click View for that meter. Here we are on the Meter Readings tab, and from here you can create new records. The same rules as on the home page, except that in this page you can enter readings out of chronological order if you have a need to do that. And you can edit records that are pending. So you see you have this edit pencil beside the readings that are pending. So I could open that up and I could say, oh, I made a mistake with that entry. I meant to enter that. You can see that we've saved that reading. Lastly, this X symbol here if you want to delete the record altogether. Okay, that's it for data entry. Thanks for watching.